This is a tufted titmouse bird, and right now it's regulating its temperature, I'm assuming, because it's a pretty hot day, hot and humid. But I thought it was interesting how it laid on its side. Adorable face, though. I don't know why I love these birds so much. Has black feature on top of their beak as well. But you'll see it regulating itself here, cooling it off with its mouth open. It's not a juvenile or anything begging for food, so normally the mouth open means that it's regulating its temperature and it's grooming itself and back to hyper again. I just think they're adorable. Anyways, I hope you enjoy watching this adorable tufted titmouse. And there it goes to kind of hide under the tree branches. I really couldn't get a good view after that. I got really lucky where it flew the first time. But this one looks pretty large. I'm not sure if she's going to be having some babies soon. Enjoy!